been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Rippy Aikido Customs.
Aikido.
Aikido Customs. There is no I before the P. Ooh.
I took the chance.
Arpiquito Customs. Complete custom, baby. Look at this job. Slash half mop boy, half trike, half Arpiquito,
Trailer park trike.
half trailer park trike, half drift trike, pit bike, dirt bike, trike, 3-wheel
Pit trike.
design.
Pit trike.
Elon Musk would be proud. With the PVC half quad 450?
Yeah.
Half quad 450 Yamaha, right?
I think so, yeah.
With the extendo shock to the quad, to the drift trike.
Needs a good paint job and we're ready.
Yeah, just needs a solid paint job and this thing can hit the showroom. Get her running. Oh, first kick, baby. Reverse kick. Oh. Yeah. Oh! With no back brake. This is literally the back end of a quad put to his 125 hip line. This thing's a beast. That's insane. I'm curious to see how this thing feels. What gear are you in when you're doing it? When you were doing the fast one?
Fourth. Full speed. Full crank. You wanna try it?
Yeah, I'm ready to give this baby a spin.
Yeah.
Oh my
Once you get going, once you get used to it, it's easy.
Arpiquito Customs earns the respect because I just rode this thing and it's way crazier than I thought. When that thing spins out, it's hard to stop because it only has a front brake, but it's dialed. It's prime. It's dialed. First and second gear, hard. You spin out immediately. Third gear, scary because you're going faster, but way more control. He linked it! Need to go check out Arpiquito Customs on Instagram. I'll put it right here because he's gonna be building some crazy stuff.
That could be
my God. All right, bro, let me try this thing again. I think I know now. I think I understand. Yeah, I was just trying 360s. Dude, this is way slipperier, I feel like, than that street. You gotta like barely turn and just let it walk itself. But it's so scary because you want to go faster, but once you start going faster, if you spin out, it's game over. Oh, this road's way better down here. Alright, here, I'm gonna do a 360. I pulled late. Oh, so close. Yeah! Oh, that was so hard. That's so sick. I'm satisfied. That actually feels so beast when you actually do it.
Yeah, when you actually pull for it, it's like, wait a minute.
Yo, he kicked it so fast. There you go. Yo, 1080. Yo. You see it. My boy, Architecto Custom.